Today I'm working on a 2018 Audi A5. I'm just replacing the cabin air filter. Underneath the passenger side, the right side of the vehicle, you go up underneath the dash here and you remove this foam pad. There's just little push pins, these little push pins. You just pull them straight out. A couple of these and then you can pull this piece of foam down out of the way. Pretty easy to get that out of there. Then it's a little bit difficult to see, but this big curved cover here, I'm trying to get my light somewhere that makes more sense. Maybe this. Yeah, this big curved cover right there, that has to be removed. That's where your filter is. So it's not quite as nice as the earlier ones, but you can still reach your hand up here and just undo these clips with your fingers. Mostly just looking or using my fingers to kind of feel where the clips are. I'll show you exactly what I released when this is down. These little tangs that stick out like this, those are what you pull down on and push away, and it undoes the barbs. So one more back here. It's a little bit more tricky to get to. Got a little clip like that. These are the clips I was releasing, and then the filter comes down. So pay attention to the direction of the filter when you remove it. On the filter, usually there's arrows for the direction of flow. So this arrow, you can see right here, it was pointing towards the back of the car. So this goes in this way, and the arrow points towards the back of the vehicle. So you just take the new one. Make sure on your new one, the arrow is pointed the same way towards the back of the vehicle. Curve it a little bit, stick it up there, snap this cover back on, and push the push pins in, and you should be all good. So thanks for watching.